just a casual Thursday night.
It's got to be Jan Hendrik. He's got loads of pink clothes and looks himself in the mirror all the time.
It's got to be me, probably.
No. Probably that Will Wimmer. He's alright, to be fair.
Nick Cadden, forever doing his lead.
Cadden. Easily Gilby. All those hats. Disgusting.
Probably have to say no. No.
Got to be Joe Wykes, always complaining after a foul. Yeah, definitely Joe Wykes.
Cadden. Joe Wykes. Never stops.
One person, isn't it? Alex Keaton.
Alex Keaton.
Harris Apple, without a doubt.
Well, it's got to be Keating. Never seen a bloke more slow than that.
Definitely Keating.
Wimmer. Will Wimmer. Got no wheels whatsoever. Any chance?
That's Keating, yeah, comfortably.
Nigel Hills. Like, you can pour how much alcohol you want into him, but he'll never say a word to a lady.
Oh, it's got to be Nick Cameron. He only talks to one girl.
Oh, it's got to be that Chris Drakeford Smith, hasn't it?
Savile. I've never seen him talk to a girl in Durham. Don't know why.
Noel Williams has nothing to offer.
As mentioned already, Jan, in theory, should shag all the fit birds. Doesn't shag any.
Don't have one. I just do other stuff.
Elaborate on other stuff.
Use my hands.
Fit girls make me stutter. What's your name?
Didn't I match you on Tinder the other day?
I lost my library cards. Do you mind if I check you out?
Do you sleep on your stomach? If not, can I?
Do you like raisins? What about a date?
I've lost my teddy bear. Can I sleep with you?
That dress looks nice, but it would look better on my bedroom floor.
Jan. James Gooder. Awful cap. That cap, mate. Stop wearing that cap, Jan. It's shit.
I'd say Gilby as well, that one.
Charles.
Oh, that Elliot Charles, he's got some rat shit threads.
But it's got to be Alan Morris, the legend, Merle, my mate.
I'd say Shannon Sung and James Gallucci, probably.
Charlie Budenberg, what a bloke.
Got to be Gossy. I just hope it's not awkward next time I see him.
Charlie Budenberg.
Will Wimmer. Sauce is sauce. Absolute sauce.
Obviously the fittest girl in Durham, as recorded by Face Mash, Olivia Toppett.
Well, been eyeing up a few freshers, obviously, in the dining hall, and I don't rate any of them. So, just stick with, have to be a Alicia Mammy for me, always other thing.
Eloise Lloyd?
I got no time for birds. I'm all about footy, mate.
Wally Wizards.
Girlfriend.
I can't stay away from my wife. It's got loyalty. Ellen Patterson.
Oh, easy. Alicia Manley. She's too good.
Probably Morgan. She's always been quite close to my heart, actually. She gave me this on the first day of freshers.
Stepping on toes massively here. Sorry, Drakeford and Tawney, but it's got to be Spratt.
It has to be Abby Barker.
Hannah Bennell.
As always, time with